What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game The Owl on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done that, then we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website to download this game. So go to the Steam website and we will quickly locate this game on Steam, so we will search for it. Now, once you have searched for it, we can scroll a little bit down and you will find the price of the game on Steam, that is €19.99. But don't worry, we got a little workaround. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now we will search for the same game, The Owl, and after that we will search for it. Now select games on the left side, then sort by price lowest first, and we will scroll a little bit down till we find the game The Owl, available on PC and can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green. Once you have found it, select it, and you will find out that this game is just €7.70 compared to the price on Steam of €19.99. So this will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now, you can purchase this game through this website for just €7.70, and after that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC, but much cheaper than on Steam itself. So, hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!